Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will review the top 5 best cookware sets available on the market today. We compared pricing as well as features to come up with this guide. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, please check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for the latest updates. So, without taking more of your time, let's jump right into it. When it comes to choosing the best cookware sets, the market is packed with options that cater to different needs, preferences, and budgets. After trying out several of the top contenders, here are the 5 best cookware sets that truly stand out. 5 Lodge Seasoned Cast Iron Set. The Lodge Seasoned Cast Iron Set remains our top pick for cast iron cookware thanks to its exceptional durability, heat retention, and long-term cooking performance, making it a true workhorse for any kitchen. Built to last for decades, this set eliminates worries about scratched coatings since cast iron can be safely used with metal utensils, making it ideal for shared kitchens or heavy daily use. It excels at high-heat cooking, delivering outstanding sears on steaks, reliable browning for meats, and consistent results for eggs, pancakes, and even baked goods. The included Dutch oven adds versatility for slow cooking, roasting, and bread baking, and the fact that its lid fits the 8-inch skillet is a thoughtful bonus. While the set is marketed as pre-seasoned, optimal results come from additional seasoning at home, which helps build a smoother, more naturally non-stick surface over time. Cast iron does require extra care, including longer preheat times, regular oiling, and thorough drying after cleaning to prevent rust, but maintenance is straightforward and forgiving. Steel wool and hot water are perfectly acceptable. The cooking surface starts with a slightly pebbly texture that gradually smooths out with use, rewarding patient owners with better performance over time. Although it lacks the convenience of true non-stick cookware and demands more attention, the payoff is unmatched longevity, reliability, and versatility. For cooks willing to invest a bit of effort, the Lodge Seasoned Cast Iron Set delivers professional-level results and remains one of the best value cast iron investments available. 4 T-fal Stainless Steel Set 11-piece. The T-fal Stainless Steel 11-piece cookware set is a well-rounded, budget-friendly stainless steel collection that delivers impressive performance and durability for everyday home cooking. Surprisingly, it heats up faster than many stainless steel sets we've tested, making it easier to sear meats, sauté vegetables, or gently simmer sauces without long wait times. The tri-ply construction ensures even heat distribution across the cooking surface, helping prevent hot spots and allowing food to cook consistently. Thoughtful design details make this set especially beginner-friendly, including drip-free pouring rims, built-in strainers on the lids, and clearly marked volume measurements inside the pots. Aesthetically, it offers that classic stainless steel look that feels timeless and sturdy in any kitchen. While the cookware is dishwasher safe and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius, cleaning can take a bit more effort compared to nonstick options, as stainless steel is prone to discoloration and stuck-on residue if not handled properly. The handles, while solid, aren't the most ergonomic for extended use, and cooking with stainless does require some technique. Proper preheating is essential to reduce sticking and achieve the best results. However, once mastered, stainless steel rewards you with better flavor development and cookware that can last for years. Free from PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, this set is a safe and durable investment for cooks who want reliable performance at a reasonable price, making it an excellent entry point into stainless steel cookware without the premium cost of higher-end alternatives. 3 GreenLife Soft Grip. The GreenLife Soft Grip cookware set excels in non-stick performance, making it a standout among the sets we tested. Its Thermalon ceramic-coated surfaces ensure that eggs, pancakes, fried rice, and other dishes glide effortlessly, with cleanup usually requiring just a quick wipe with a damp cloth. The set is versatile and thoughtfully designed, including essentials like frying pans, a stainless steel steamer, and a small 4-inch pan perfect for single-egg cooking, plus an assortment of utensils. The steamer proved especially handy for multitasking in the kitchen, letting you prep vegetables while cooking other dishes. Bakelite-coated, ergonomic handles stay cool enough to handle without mitts, enhancing convenience. The aluminum construction heats quickly and distributes warmth evenly, giving consistent cooking results, though the metal is on the thinner side, which could lead to warping over time. One notable drawback is that the welded handles can wiggle under pressure, making them feel less sturdy than fixed or riveted alternatives. The included plastic utensils are also prone to softening or melting at medium heat, which limits their long-term usefulness. Despite these minor issues, the GreenLife Soft Grip Set is an excellent choice for those looking to reduce added fats in cooking, thanks to its exceptionally slick surfaces. Lightweight, easy to use, and dishwasher safe, it combines performance and convenience, making everyday cooking smoother and more efficient, especially for those who prioritize healthy, low-oil meal preparation. 2 Amazon Basics Non-Stick 15-Piece. The Amazon Basics Non-Stick 15-Piece Cookware Set is a budget-friendly option designed specifically for beginners, students, or anyone setting up a kitchen without spending a fortune. Despite its low price, the set delivers solid everyday performance, offering all the essentials you need to get started, including matching lids and even plastic utensils. Built with thin-gauge aluminum, the cookware heats quickly and evenly when used on low to medium heat, though higher temperatures may lead to warping over time. The Teflon nonstick coating performs impressively for its class, allowing foods like eggs and pancakes to slide right off the surface and making cleanup relatively easy, as long as you avoid metal utensils that could damage the coating. Riveted handles provide a secure grip, while the vented lids help manage steam during cooking, adding a touch of practicality rarely seen at this price point. However, there are notable limitations. The set is not oven-safe, not dishwasher-safe, and lacks clearly stated information regarding PTFE, PFOA, lead, or cadmium, which may concern more cautious buyers. Manual washing is required, and care must be taken to extend its lifespan. Still, for college students, first-time cooks, or casual home chefs experimenting with simple meals, this set delivers excellent value. While it can't compete with higher-end cookware in durability or versatility, the Amazon Basics Non-Stick 15-Piece Set opens the door to cooking confidence and culinary exploration without a major financial commitment. 1 Calphalon Premier Set. The Calphalon Premier Set is widely regarded as one of the best cookware collections available, combining durability, functionality, and thoughtful design. Built with a hard anodized aluminum core and mineral shield nonstick coating, it distributes heat evenly, allowing you to cook, simmer, and sear with minimal oil or butter. The set feels solid and well-constructed, with a comfortable weight that gives a premium, reliable feel in daily use. One of its standout features is the innovative lid design, which enables the pieces to stack neatly into 2 compact nests, saving significant cabinet space without unnecessary extras that often collect dust. The ergonomically designed handles and lids provide comfort, although they can become hot during extended cooking sessions. Dishwasher safe and oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. This cookware is versatile, though it is not compatible with induction stoves, and the nonstick surface contains PTFE, which may concern those seeking completely toxin-free options. While the coating performed excellently in testing, it will naturally wear over time, so proper care is essential to prolong its lifespan. Although it carries a higher price tag, the Premier Set delivers quality and performance that justify the investment. For those looking for a slightly more budget-friendly or induction-compatible alternative, sets like the Cuisinart Multi-Clad Pro or Tramontina 14-Piece Ceramic Line Set are worth considering. Overall, the Calphalon Premier Set combines space-saving design, reliable performance, and premium construction, making it a top choice for serious home cooks. That's a wrap for today's session, everyone. We hope you found the information helpful and that it provided some valuable insights. If you did, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates. Stay safe, stay motivated, and keep making progress every day.